Jesus said, "Why would you entertain evil thoughts in your hearts?"
Do you have evil thoughts? I just don't think this part of
The following message has been requested by the Micobean government. It contains information about your safety and you need to pay close attention. Micobean Airspace Defense Department and Micobean government have issued a national emergency regarding 9 small missiles en route to 9 major Micobean cities. I repeat. Micobean Airspace Defense Department and Micobean government have issued a national emergency regarding 9 small missiles en route to 9 major Micobean cities. Please wait for more information. This is not a test or drill. Micobean has been subjected to a missile attack. The Micobean Airspace Defense Department has detected the launch of 13 small missiles from Whittier, California. The Micobean Air Space Defense Department has shot down 4 of the 13 missiles. The remaining 9 missiles are expected to land in the next 10 to 15 minutes. The 9 missiles are going to strike the following locations: Noun, Shift Torn, Boat House, Terre Enton, Jennington Square, Armalao, Bryanville, Jefferson, Jarrett City. I repeat. Noun, Shift Torn, Boat House, Terre Enton, Jennington Square, Armalao, Bryanville, Jefferson, Jarrett City. If you are in or around the affected area, we advise you to evacuate deep into the woods or underground immediately. These missiles are expected to destroy all structures within 45 meters of the blast, and everything within 100 meters of the blast will be heavily damaged. Anyone within 150 meters of the blast can be severely injured by shockwaves or flying debris. This message has been broadcasted at request of the Micobean government.